Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel VFXtutor. This is HTML class season 2 in which we discuss working with HTML elements. Today my topic text formatting elements. First question is that what is text formatting elements? Formatting elements allow the content of a web page to appear in a different manner. For example, the B element allows highlighting the text as a bold. Some of the useful formatting elements used in creating HTML web pages are address, TT, it means text typing, and the third one is strike. First we discuss today, this is part 1 of season 2, so we discuss address element. First question is that what is address element? The address element is a container element which encloses the addresses or contact information. Such information often appear in the beginning or at the end of the HTML page. So let's demonstrate how to display the contact information in a web page. So first we open the notepad from the start menu and then go to the format and select the font, and this we select according to your choice and then OK. So first we type HTML and then we type head, then we type title. We give the title VFXtutor, my channel name. Then close the title and then close the head. Now we open the body. Now we type some words. This is an example of address element. Now and we close it. Now type address. We type VFXtutor. BR for back. And then type site. Site town. Karachi. And then another here for break the sentence, break the line, Pakistan. Close the address bar, close the body, and close the HTML. Then we go to file and save as 1 and .html. For web page, we must add .html extension and then save it and go to the desktop. We see our web page. This is my web page, and click, double click. Top of the web page, you see my address. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and visit my channel.